Alright, what's up guys? This is Jason from What in Detail Nation. I'm bringing you another aftercare series of how to take care of a ceramic coated car. This car was ceramic coated about a year ago. I've done a couple maintenance videos on it, and today we're going to kind of give you a more in-depth of how to use ONR, the rinseless wash, how to prep your vehicle before you rinseless wash it, and how to add our ceramic spray sealant that's also now included in our aftercare packet. So this car hasn't been washed in probably close to a month and a half, maybe pushing 2 months. It's been busy season, so we haven't really been on top of it. And usually with this, there's a lot of built up grime, a lot of built up, dirt in the wheel wells. So I'm going to show you how, if you aren't on top of it, on top of washing your vehicle every week, or it's a little bit dirtier and you don't feel comfortable with just going straight into your rinseless wash, we're going to show you how to pressure wash it, how we kind of go beforehand and get this thing clean, and then how to clean the wheels as well. So we're going to kind of show you a walk around video of the vehicle, show you how dirty it is, and then we're going to get into actually pressure washing this thing down and how to do it and all like that. So let's get to it. And all right, now I kind of want to go over a couple tips and tricks for when you're actually washing your vehicle. First off, you want to have it in the shade. You can see here we are mostly in the shade. We're not going to be washing out here, but all the lower parts and the main parts are going to be in the shade. That way it's cool, it's not going to dry on the surface and all like that, because whenever you have heat and sun, it just makes the whole process annoying. So make sure you're doing it in a cool, dry, and shaded area. So first off, we are going to be starting off with the wheels, the wheel wells, and actually pressure washing the main high traffic areas off. Meaning high traffic areas being the front end where a lot of bug guts and road film get kicked up, your lower quarter panels from about your trim down where a lot of also road film gets kicked up, stuck on, and then the rear bumper. Again, a lot of dirt and traffic gets stuck there. We are trying to pressure wash a good layer of that film off, so that way when we do go to wash it, there's less buildup, not as much dirt and grime. If your vehicle is covered in, if it's been sitting or if it hasn't been cleaned in a while, I would suggest pressure washing the whole vehicle off. So we are going to be starting off with the wheels. Like I said, you guys don't have to do this, but I like cleaning my tires when I do this. We are actually going to be waiting to clean the wheels till the very end of the cleaning. So we're going to clean this whole entire thing, seal it up, and then clean the wheels. But we wait to clean the wheels just because these are usually the most dirtiest part of our vehicle. You don't need to do any special chemicals now that they're coated. All you just need to do is wash and dry them. So we're going to be chemically cleaning the tires, pressure washing everything out, and then pulling it in, washing everything on the we're going to be washing everything on the vehicle as far as the paint, headlights, and everything like that, windows, and then we're going to be cleaning the tires. So this is just all-purpose cleaner. Any all-purpose cleaner is going to work, or you don't even have to do this step if you don't want to deal with it. You can actually just clean these, pressure wash these off, and be good to go. But I'm going to take it a step further. So do this on your own accord if you want to do this. If not, it is up to you. So I'm going to spray the tire, let it sit, scrub it, and then start pressure washing everything off. And then once I pressure wash everything off, we're going to pull it in and then kind of show you a little bit more tips and tricks on how to wash it and go from there. So stick around and let's get to it. All right, now that you have the entire exterior completely washed and sealed with the ceramic spray sealant, we are now going to be doing the wheels. Like I said, this is the last step. The paint's already clean. It's already been pressure washed off, gone over and sealed. So all we have left to do are the wheels. Now these wheels have been ceramic coated. All you need to do from here on out is to wash and dry them. So we can use the ONR wash still. Like I said, it's already dirty. The water's already dirty. The towels are already dirty. These are the dirtiest part of the car. So it doesn't matter if everything gets dirty because you're gonna actually wash it and clean it and be ready to use for the next time. So we already cleaned off the wheels or the tires, sprayed out the wheel wells and sprayed the wheels off. So all we have to do, just like the paint, get your wash mitt on the verge of dripping. So I can still squeeze it out more, have plenty in there, but it is not dripping out. And then simply clean your wheels like you normally would. And yes, your wash mitt is going to get very dirty. If you hit the tire, it's not going to matter. It is not going to make or break the process. You simply just want to clean the wheel as a whole. Some wheels are going to be easier than the others. Some wheels are very intricate and harder to get into. So they are detailing and wheel brushes that you can get and use to make your life a little bit easier. But usually most of the time with stock wheels, you won't have to. So to dry it just the same as your paint, take your first wet drying towel. You want to spray your spray sealant all over it. Don't spray it on the wheel. And then simply go over it and dry it. Get the majority, work the product in. The majority of the water and wetness, dampness, moisture, whatever you want to call it up. Make sure your drying towel does not hit the ground and pick up dirt. And then take your second one and buff everything off. Just like that, your wheel is clean and protected all in one step. And now you just have 3 more left to do and you're completely done washing your car. So let's get to it and finish this car out and show you the total after. Here's an after walk around video. Wheels cleaned with ONR. Dressed the tires. You can see paint is super clean. Very shiny and glossy again. Bring you over to the hood. All the bugs cleaned off very nicely. Paint is sealed and protected again.